In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to FTP WordPress. FTP, which stands for File Transfer Protocol, is a standard network protocol used to transfer files between a client and server on a computer network. It's a handy tool to have under your belt, especially when managing a WordPress site hosted on platforms like Bluehost. So, let's dive into the process step by step to get you started with FTP for your WordPress site. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Bluehost account manager. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your hosting services, and accessing your site files is just one of its many functions. If you're unsure where to log in, head over to the Bluehost website and find the Login button, typically located at the top right corner. Enter your credentials, and once you're in, you're ready to begin the FTP setup. Now take a look at the left side menu, which acts as your main navigation tool within the account manager. You'll want to click on the option labeled Websites. This tab is your go-to area for viewing and managing all the websites you have hosted through Bluehost. Once you're here, you should see a list of the websites you manage. Find the specific website that you wish to manage or transfer files to using FTP and select it from the list. After selecting your website, the next step is to navigate to the Files and Access tab. This section is crucial, as it contains all the file management options associated with your selected website. Whether you're looking to upload, download, or simply view files, this tab is where you'll find the necessary tools to do so efficiently. Within the Files and Access tab, you'll see a part dedicated specifically to FTP, and under that, there's a button labeled Manage. Click this button to delve into the FTP Management section, where you can configure new FTP accounts or modify existing ones. This is where all the magic happens. In the FTP Management area, you'll have the ability to view existing FTP users, which are the accounts created specifically for file transfers via FTP. This section also shows you the domains associated with each user as well as their designated directory details. Having this information at your fingertips not only is essential, but also allows you to ensure the right permissions and settings are in place for secure and efficient file management. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully configured and accessed your FTP settings within your Bluehost account. Remember, having a good handle on FTP can greatly enhance how you manage your WordPress site, making file transfers and site updates a breeze. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy file transferring.